Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And there are my glasses right there. And that's my pan of color left over from my last experiment, which was with the homemade little scoops. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I am going to start with, where'd you go? I'm going to start with a 16 by 20 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning spatula and some black paint. If I can get it out. Wow, that's weird, huh? All kinds of paint inside my lid that I don't want in my painting. Go away, paint. So let's see how far that goes. Yeah. Be nice to have a good layer to spread some other things with onto. Help flow. That's it. Help flow. And I'm not sure how far I want this to go, but I am sure I could do that if I wanted to. This is the OXO omelet turning spatula on one of two sizes that are on the Amazon link below. Show more under the video. And most people who've ever purchased one are ecstatic. If you want a paint spreading tool, there's something about the thinness of the blade on this particular spatula that just kicks some. Kicks some you know what. I'm dripping down all over my edges, and I don't mind if I don't have any paint particularly on my edges, but I am making a little bit of a mess. It's a little later today than I would like it to be, but the rain just came and came and came and came and came and didn't stop. So I am thinking, always a dangerous pursuit. Sorry. I'm going to grab some white. I think I want some white pearl. And I don't mind that I have schmutz in my spatula because I expect it to make cells. And I often indulge myself with whatever I'm in the mood for at the time. Like that. Because that's where the fun is in the experimenting. Okay, I'm done. I do like minimalist artwork. I'm not sure that really counts as minimalist, but I'm not done staring at it for a minute. Now what I can do with the paint in my other container is anything I want, basically, and that includes throwing some more paint in there that I like the look of, and maybe just cleaning out some of the paint that I love here, and continuing on my merry way, doing whatever I want, which is my MO anyway, as we well know. Now, the question is, do I want to just grab this paint with this butter dish? And the answer is usually yes. Because I have every intention of attempting, if I can find it. I had it a minute ago. Where is it? I know you're around here. I put you someplace you wouldn't blow away. Okay, I had a blown up glove. I'm not finding it. I know it's here. I see it. Okay, back on track. I'm just going to get rid of all of this paint. I might even use an Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula to relieve the residuals from my butter dish, which I don't know where it came from, but one got broken and so another one reappeared, and I think they came originally from some kind of wedding. I'm just going to use my spatula right now and give myself the pleasure of seeing what happens when I use ribbon dribbles from my spatula instead of anything else. And that's kind of fun. The name of the game is fun. That's what I'm calling it anyway. I kind of already miss my little scoops, and there's one of them. I don't know if I can still get anything out of there, or even if I should try. But I've been wanting to try something anyway. The truth is, I've got an entire silicone ice cube tray over there that I should go ahead and see what I can get out of the bottom, just because I can, and because I have those colors. And I've been talking about adding colors that are just straight colors. It's sort of like painting, only without a brush. I may be tilting. I kind of expect to, actually. I'm going to take 2 colors of my choosing. I'm going to let that relax right out of there. Matter of fact, I'm going to let it relax right out of there while I take the rest of the colors out of my iPod box, which could be anything, by the way. Any refuse at all. I'm going to clean my spatula off. Where was I? I was over here. I have more colors that I like. And a strange little tool that I'm enjoying. And plenty of gold paint. And a Because I Can attitude, and that is the name of my book on the Amazon link. We might as well have as much fun as possible doing irreverent, off-the-wall, strange and new procedures. Because I can. I don't know. I may not tip. I mean, I could just leave one of these times. That is pretty cool stuff going on there, in my opinion. Not maybe to everyone's taste, but everything doesn't have to be to everyone's taste anyway. I'm really liking that. I like the white especially. That's weird. I really did want to do some balloon kisses, and since I did find my tool, maybe I will try that anyway. I can still see it. It hasn't gone anywhere. How strange. And this ice cube tray is not working as badly as I thought it was going to be. I really thought it was going to be impossible to get most of the color out of the bottom of it, but I don't seem to mind very much trying to dig it out. It's kind of nice to be able to have those colors. I got this at Marshall's, just in case you have a chance to look there and you're going there anyway. I like them with the top, because at least for overnight I have a shot at saving my paint. After the stuff in it separates out, you don't have as much of a chance, for sure. Maybe I should use some of this to play with my balloon, whatever. I kind of want to put it all in one and see what happens. With that, and with that, and with that. Let everything be agitated and mixed up, and then I can just throw this right into the bucket with everything else. How much paint can I get out of the bottom? And how much texture can I make? Oh, that's just so cool. I hope I'm not going to be unhappy that I go on with this. I know seeing paint residuals in there that I can't get at is really it's a little irritating, to say the least. But I am having fun making my little my ribbony dribbles. I always call them when I describe them. Under the video there's a description, a paint pouring recipe and a description. Lots of times we expect someday to use the description in the book, if we ever get to the book. I kind of thought it might be nice to do a best of, but I'm pretty sure my editor's still got her heart set on volume 2, which makes good sense. It's just, I don't really have a lot of extra time. Here I am, I'm sorry, I'm slow, and I'm talking all the time, and I'm just over here excavating this little container that I have most of the paint out of. And then I'm really happy about that, because it's less wasteful, and it's beautiful paint, and I know what it cost. Ooh, there's some red in there. Wow, I didn't see that until right now. That's neat. Alright, so what I'm thinking is that the white that I didn't have in this ice cube tray might be a really nice thing to use as a balloon kiss. Now that I have cleaned my hands off of the residual, it just looks like something I want to save, right like it is. That's just so cool. You know what? I could do that to you guys. Oh, come on, turn on. I could just tell you that there's GAC 800 in all of my paints, and that means that it won't crack when it dries heavy. I've got enough negative space behind. I really, really like this composition. I don't think I'm going to do anything to it. I know that's just irreverent. I mean, I could definitely do all kinds of stuff. I could put chain in there. I could tilt it onto an edge catcher. All I really want to do is catch the little spots that are showing canvas and touch them up with some black, and I just really like it the way it is. So there I am, because I can. But fortunately for you guys, I have another canvas, so there will be another video, and I'll just figure it out. Maybe I'll just put some more colors back in my ice cube tray. I gotta tell you, if you guys shop my Amazon link underneath the video, you help me out at no added cost to you. There's gold mica powder and other colored mica powders, and I'll give you that recipe if you ask me for it. I need your thumbs up if you like what I do. It tells the YouTube algorithm where to put my videos so more people can see them, and the more people that see them, the more people watch, and the more people who watch, the more chance I have of continuing bringing you more videos. See how that works? It works very well. I love doing this. I hope I never have to stop, but that's not the way life is sometimes. We all have stuff we got to do. Anyway, so I'm going to just go down the line and find my spots that don't have any black paint on them and fill in with them, because everywhere else has... Yeah, I should find the smaller bottle so it isn't so heavy in my hand to hold on to. I'm over the edge. I know you can't see that. So anyway, back to the matter at hand, which is on the end screens, which are the last 20 seconds of the video. There's 4 screens. One is for subscribing. One is for my website, where you can communicate with me if you so desire. I'm going to put that right on my finger and let the paint go over the edge that's right above it, and that ought to be nice because there's pools of paint there. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. I could probably take a straw and just blow some of that paint that's in a puddle above the black edges right over the side and have that work out pretty nicely. And it's not beyond me not to do that. Or I could just use my breath and see what else I get, which are some pretty cool patterns actually. Excellent. Okay, so I still got 4 minutes left, and I can't do anything to it because I like it too much. I mean, there's a rhythm to it. There's some cells back there. There's some funky cells in here. It's all an experiment that I like too much to let go. So I'm just going to keep talking to you guys and see if I can find my crib sheet. Oh yeah, I do sell my artwork. You may inquire through my website or on YouTube if you think you want to go through that arduous journey, because YouTube does not let me share my email with you, even though I will tell you now it is EASPB, as in Expressionist Art Studio, Priscilla Batzell, and the last word is spelled out, gallery, @gmail.com. So if you want to talk to me, go ahead. Give it a try. What else? I have Pinterest and Instagram and Twitter links underneath the video. I love you guys. There's over 75,000. Actually, there's over 76,000 of you, 500 right now. Coming in pretty quick. I've been having a really good time. I still want to do the balloon kiss type deal. I just can't quite get away from how much I like this. So, what have I not told you guys? Oh, you can shop Expressionist Art Studio Gallery items under the video. There's clothing that has my designs on it. You can go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, and that's on Facebook for students. You can find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery for fans and collectors on Facebook, also for fans and collectors. I just love having dug into those multiple containers and mixed up just a few colors and having some straight colors. This whole composition just really makes me happy. It's not like anything I've ever done before or done any way I've ever done anything before, and so that's okay with me too. I hope you guys had fun. I know I had fun. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and if you need to ask me questions, please just do that. I want to say thank you to everyone who's ever contributed to help keep me painting, and you've all been entered into a contest, and some of you have actually won. And you will win a painting if your name is drawn. And the contest is on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of the video also. I forgot to finish telling you about that. I'm sorry. And you'll see that this particular month will be different than any other month, because this month will be, I see that spot. And the black is right here. It's the landscapes I've been doing, and I'm not done doing those. I'm probably never... Oh, come out. Please come out. Yes, I see that plug going. Ooh, almost got it in the face. Anyway, there's a contest. It's the landscapes, and it shares with you this month's prizes. So, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, that was like way, way different and more fun than I was expecting, and I'm really happy I use GAC 800 by Golden, and I recommend you try it too. I don't use any water in my mix. I don't use any silicone in my mix. My mix is under the video. It's 2 parts GAC 800 by Golden to 8 parts paint, and after that's mixed, I start over again by mixing 50% Floetrol and Decor at pouring medium, and then I use half and half of each of those mixtures. So I love you guys. I'll see you again. Watch some videos, binge away. The longer you watch, including the commercials, the more likely you are to help me keep doing this for a long time, and I'd love to do that. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida. Priscilla out.